Hello and welcome to this channel that could literally change your life. If you've ever said to yourself, I want to start a business but I don't have any money, then this video was made for you. You see, many people believe that starting a business requires a lot of capital, but that's not always true. The truth is you can absolutely start a business in 2025 with no money, but that's only if you're willing to start small, learn fast and build strategically. But what does no money really mean? That's what we'll cover first in this video before diving into the real life step-by-step processes that you can follow. I will walk you through the real meaning of starting a business with no money, high income skills you can learn for free, how to turn those skills into income, how to reinvest the income into your own business, and real examples of people who started with nothing and grew. Plus how you can get free intellectual support by joining our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is available only for the first 50 people to be there. And I do it for free, so don't wait. Let's dive straight into this video. When we say start with no money, we don't mean you won't invest time or avoid hard work or expect instant results. I mean, you don't need capital up front. What you need is to invest your time, start using free tools, free knowledge, and free platforms. This is where you rely on skills, not savings. This method is called the sweat equity model because you're trading your time, effort, and focus to start a business from scratch. So, before you even think about a business idea, you need to adopt this mindset. I'm willing to work for free for a while to build something I own later. That's the difference between a broke person who complains and a future entrepreneur who takes control. Now, let's talk about the most critical part to start a business with zero capital. The first step is to get a survival job. It sounds weird, but the first step is to earn stability. You can't build a long-term business if you're stressed out about how to eat. Even if it's unrelated to your dream, get a low-skill job that pays the bills. It mustn't be a high-paying job. Think examples like virtual assistants, nannying, clearing, market jobs, laundry pickup slash delivery helper, and so on. Remember, the goal is not to stay there long. The goal is to cover your basic needs while you have the mental space to think, learn, and build. The second step is to choose a free high-income skill to learn. Now that you're surviving, it's time to learn something that earns you real money without needing a degree or office. Here are top skills you can learn for free online. We have graphic design, copywriting, social media management, website design with no code, video editing, sales and code outreach. For graphic design, you can learn Canva, Adobe Express, Figma offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, Instagram. Then for copywriting, you learn how to write ads, emails, and product descriptions. Sell services to small businesses and startups. Social media management is helping small businesses grow on social media. All you just need is to start managing one page for free just to show results. Use WordPress, Webflow, or Shopify to design websites with no code. Don't forget that local businesses always need this. Then video editing, because every content creator needs editors. Use free tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. And lastly, sales and code outreach is one of the highest paid skills. Learn how to pitch and close deals. I know someone might ask, hey Jude, where do I learn all this from? You can learn from YouTube. Search for tutorials by topic, Coursera, free courses with certificates, Google Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, and LinkedIn Learning for free trials. The third step or process is to offer free service for proof and experience. Let's say you just learned Canva and want to design flyers for businesses. Instead of waiting for someone to hire you, offer free service to 3 to 5 businesses in your neighborhood, church, market, or online. Say something like, hi, I'm learning graphic design and I would love to create a flyer or social media post for you 100% free. In return, I would like to show it in my portfolio. The three things this does is that it builds confidence, gets you real world feedback, and creates a small portfolio you can use to attract paying clients. After doing all this, the fourth process is to get your first paid clients. Now that you've done free work, you can start charging a small fee. Here's how to do it. Turn your free work into posts on Instagram, LinkedIn, or Facebook groups, and join freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or legit Facebook job groups, and charge small fees just to start. While you charge this small fee, try to make it clear to be a huge discount. And from here, your first $100 to $200 is possible. That's when you've officially made your first business income with zero capital. The fifth step is to reinvest into tools and learning. Now that you're earning a bit of money, don't waste it. What to do with your first profit is to upgrade to paid tools, example CapCut Pro or Canva Pro. Then buy a better phone or laptop second-hand at least. You can take a course for higher level of learning. Also run $10 to $20 in ads to promote your skill or service. This means that every money you make should go toward making your service more valuable or scalable. The sixth step is to package your service as a business. In this case, you're no longer just freelancing, you now have a business. You can package your business in these 5 simple ways. 1. Give your service a brand name. Create a simple Instagram or Facebook page. Post testimonials from previous clients. Show your before and after samples. And lastly, add a WhatsApp business line. Even without a website, this already looks professional and clients now see you as a legit business, not just a side hustle anymore. The seventh step is to automate, scale, or hire helpers. Once you're making consistent money, you have three smart options, which include to scale, automate, or hire interns or freelancers. To automate means to use tools to handle repetitive tasks. Examples, scheduling tools, AI writing or design tools, and autoresponders. For you to scale, you have to start charging more, taking on bigger projects, or offering new services. And to hire freelancers means you can now pay others to help you do parts of the job while you manage clients. At this point, you've created income from nothing, a skill-based brand, and a scalable business. Here are 10 business models you can build by just learning a skill: virtual assistant agency, graphic design studio, freelance copywriting biz, digital marketing services, website building, tutoring/online coaching, YouTube thumbnail design, voiceover recording, blog writing services, and social media growth agency. Almost all the businesses mentioned in this video are online businesses, but these same steps can also be applicable to offline businesses. Let's say you want to start a cleaning service business. Consider following the same procedures. Your service for your first 3 clients should be done for free, while in return, you post it to show how effective and clean your work can be. Think of other businesses you can start for yourself. The most important thing is to get a survival job that pay your bills while you learn the business or skill. Money is the least you need to start a business. You need clarity, commitment, and change. To help you achieve your business and investment goals faster, I've created a YouTube community as WhatsApp group where we share business tips, motivation, and investment ideas to help you succeed in your financial literacy journey. It's completely free, only for the first 50 people to be there, after which access will close. Tap the YouTube community WhatsApp link in the video description to join. And if you found value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with a friend who needs this. Thanks for staying with us. See you in the next video.